Hi everyone, Mr. Albert again, and welcome to STEAM class where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. And kids, finally it's May. And because we are in the new month, we will have a new project. But before that, kids, I may ask, do you know what is the primary source of light? Alright, the primary source of light is the sun. Great job! And kids, we also have other sources of light, such as stars, the moon, and the lit candle. And for today, we will be making a lantern with a candle in it. Alright? We will make a lantern. So kids, are you excited? So kids, let's start! Kids, here are the materials needed. We need popsicle sticks, right? And we need uhu glue. Kids, first we will make 4 squares. Each square needs 4 popsicle sticks. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 popsicle sticks for the first square. Another 4 for the second square. Another 4 popsicle sticks for the third square. And another 4 for the last square. Right? So now let's start making square. Okay? First is let us arrange this way, right? Alright kids, but to make sure they will not be separated, we will be using the glue. Right kids, let's start. Put an amount of glue at the tip, right? And put the popsicle stick. Press and wait until it is dry. Another is put an amount of glue also at the other. And press. And wait until it is dry. Okay? Now kids, there we have it, the first square. Next is the second square. Okay? Our second square. Now, proceed to the third one. kids, our third square. And finally, the last one. So kids, here are the 4 squares we need for our lantern. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let us wait until the glue is dry. Alright? So kids, this is the first part in making your lantern. You need to make 4 squares using the popsicle sticks. Alright? Again kids, this is Mr. Albert for your STEAM class where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. See you next week. God bless you and bye-bye!